Hey comrade, welcome to the video. If you'd like to know how I got this hair color, this beautiful gray, stick around till the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and Sears, where I look for the answers to the questions in my head. And today's question of the day is, why not? Anyway, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair because I have been feeling like I'm losing a lot of autonomy and agency in my life, and dyeing my hair is kind of a way for me to feel back in control. I'm going to be using the Ion Bright White Powder Lightener. I'm going to be mixing this one with a 20 volume developer. I got the giant bottle again because I do dye my hair very often. And then for everything else, I'm going to use a 10 volume. So 20 to lift it and 10 to deposit. So here's the toner that I'm going to use. It's called just Bright White Silver Ice. I'm going to tone my roots after this and the rest of my head. I'm only buying one because my hair is pretty fine and pretty short. So I think one is going to be enough for the toner. And then to actually deposit the color, I'm going to be using this. It's the Creme Permanent Cream Hair Color in the level 7 VA. Disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I just do this for fun because I don't want to spend a lot of money paying a hairstylist to do it. And then I still end up paying a lot of money for hair products. And we're going to be lifting the roots, we're going to tone it all, and then we're going to deposit the gray on top. So it's going to look even, it's going to look shiny, it's going to look awesome. Let's do it. Okay, we're in the bathroom. I'm sorry about the lighting. We're gonna bleach my hair. We're gonna use the lightener with the 20 volume because we're lifting. And this is gonna be a 1:2 ratio. So 1:2 of this. Probably gonna do like 4 tablespoons of the lightener and 8 tablespoons of the volume developer. We'll see. I feel like that'll be enough for my hair. Let's do it. Bleach does stop working after a certain amount of time. So, you gotta do it quick. Check it out. Alright, whenever you're bleaching your hair, I recommend not bleaching your hair at home. Don't put more than 20 volume developer on your roots, because it'll burn. This one time, in high school, I had a friend who turned into an enemy, dye my hair with 40 volume developer. And that's why we're not friends anymore. I'm also gonna put a plastic bag on my head after this is in, just because heat makes it process a little bit faster. But definitely check your hair every 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you're getting the color that you want. If you're starting a lot darker than me, it's probably going to take multiple processes of bleach. So just be careful. Don't fry your hair off unless that's like what you're going for. Scalp is very itchy already.
Don't itch, unless you want to.
You can definitely itch, just be careful. The last time I went to a stylist and got my hair bleached, I got a chemical burn. So when I itched it, like skin came off and it was red. You want to stay anonymous? Okay. The girl that dyed my hair with 40 volume. Oh, can you hit this right here? My hair cracked off. Like literally half of it was cracking off. It wasn't just falling out. Hair's not supposed to do that. Alright, so we just bleached my roots. You can see they're a little bit yellow, but that's okay, because we're going to go ahead and do the same thing we just did and tone my entire head just to get rid of that yellow. And then we're going to apply the gray, and it's going to look good. Here's the back. And it's going to be gray. Let's get it. Let's tone. Okay, so I just toned my hair. It did take out a little bit of brassiness. I would still consider this pretty yellow still, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the gray on top of it anyway. This is my cat. Sup, dude? Never mind. Let's go gray. Alright, welcome back. This is my new gray hair. Just dyed it. It is all fully dry. Here's how it looks. My ends definitely still have a little bit of a yellow tint to them, but that's because I've processed them probably a dozen times since I shaved my head. So it's they're a little fried. Definitely recommend keeping your hair as healthy as possible, especially when you're bleaching. I don't do that, so here's how the back looks. Feel like a swampy witch. Now I'm gonna make this look a lot more impressive in the before after by styling my hair and doing my makeup. Let's go. Alright, and here's the gray result with it styled and my makeup done, so it looks a lot better. How do you guys like it? I like how deep of a gray it is. Don't like the yellow that's coming through from my brassy original blonde color, but we can always tone that, get that out later. Here's the back. I really like how dark this turned out. If you like this video tutorial, please remember to hit like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications. I post sporadically, and I post whatever I want. So if you like it, stick around. Now let's dance.